Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's learning time. So today in this video I am going to explain you about the remaining part from the revision session. As in previous video only I already explained about question number 1, 2 and 3. So now here we are going to solve the question number 4 and 5. So let's start. Question number 4 is solve the following and write the answer in Roman numerals. So here they given one addition problem and one subtraction problems from Roman numerals. So let's start. So the first number convert. This is L means 50, 2 times X means 20 plus IV means 4. So the number will become 74. Then similarly convert the second number, capital C X. Capital CX means 110. So just add this both numbers, 74 plus 110 is 184. Again this Roman Arabic numbers convert into the Roman numbers. C means 100, L 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 180 and IV means 4. So here is our answer. The similar way we have to solve the second question. See the second number is, it is a subtraction problem. 2 times X capital V minus capital V 3 times I. So convert the first Roman numbers into the Hindu Arabic numbers. 2 times capital X means 20, V means 5, 20 plus 5 is 25. Similarly the second number is capital V 3 times I is equal to 8. Now subtract these two numbers, 25 minus 8 is 17. Again this 17 you have to convert into the Roman numbers, that is capital X V I 2 times. This is the solution for the fourth question. Now move for the question number 5. So now let's move to the question number 5. International airports in different cities are some of the busiest places in India. Here is a table showing the approximate number of passengers at the airports in different cities. So dear children, here they are given the chart. In first column they are given the name of the cities. Then in second column name of the airport, and the third column is showing the number of passengers. By using this chart we have to solve the question answers here. They given 4 questions here. By using the above chart we have to solve this questions. So just see the charts. The first one is Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi, and the number of passengers are 46,823,000. So see here children, these numbers are given in the international system of numeration. All numbers are given in the international system of numeration only. Okay. The second one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. The number of passengers are 8,572,000. The third one is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, and the number of passengers are 29,100,000. And the fourth one is Anna International Airport, Chennai, and the number of passengers are 8,700,000. So see here children, by using this chart now we have to solve this question answers. Okay, let's start. So see here children, the question number A is write the numbers of passengers in words using each airport in the Indian number system. So they given the 4 in airports names and the cities name, and they given the number of passengers. We have to convert these all numbers which are they given in the international system of numeration. Just convert that number into the Indian system of numeration. So the first airport is Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. The number of passengers are 46,823,000. So these numbers are given in the international system. Just write down in one side. 46,823,000 will be written as like this. So now the second step is convert this number into the Indian system of numeration. The Indian number system, how we will write it is, see we will put the comma before 10,000 place, then before 10 lakh place. So just put the commas according to the Indian number system. It will become, the number will come 4,68,23,000. So what we have to do here, just write this number into the word. 4,68,23,000. The second airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata. The number of passengers are 8,572,000. Just write down the numbers, then convert it into the Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we write it as 85,72,000. Just the third step is write down this number in words. It will be written as 85,72,000. Now the third airport is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. The number of passengers are 29,100,000. So write down this number, then convert this number into the Indian number system. It will be written as 2,91,00,000. Just write down this number in words. Will written as 2,91,00,000. So the fourth airport is Anna International Airport, Chennai. The number of passengers are 8,700,000. So write down the number, then convert this into the Indian system of numeration. In Indian system, how we will write? 87 lakh. So write down this number in word, 87 lakh. This is the answer for the A question. Let's move to the question number B. So here is question number B. Arrange the name of cities in ascending order based on the number of passengers. So see here, the number of passengers are in Indira Gandhi International Airport. The number of passengers are 46,823,000. In Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, 8,572,000 passengers are there. Then in Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai, 29,100,000 passengers are there. And the last one, Anna International Airport, Chennai, 8,700,000 passengers are there. So see here children, we have to arrange this in ascending order. In ascending order, what we do, we arrange the numbers in from smaller number to greater number. So see here, in which international airport is having the less number of passengers? It is Kolkata. 8,572,000 is less. So write down Kolkata, then Chennai, then Mumbai, then lastly Delhi. This is the ascending order of the passengers according to the cities. So let us move to the C1 question. Question number C is, which two airports are not catering to more than 1 crore passengers? There are only two airports are there which are not catering more than 1 crore passenger, that are Kolkata and Chennai. So see here children, for this you have to write the full answer like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, and Anna International Airport, Chennai. Question number D is, the airport at Hyderabad is used by 8,400,000 passengers. Which place would you give 100? Which place would you give Hyderabad in the ascending order of passengers? So see here children, the number of passengers in Hyderabad airport is 8,400,000. 8,400,000 is a smaller number and it is smaller than 8,572,000. Yes, Kolkata is having less number of passengers, that is 8,572,000. So 8,400,000 is less than the 8,572,000. So Hyderabad will get the first place in ascending order as it is having the less passengers than Kolkata. I hope you understood how to solve the revision station. So in next video I will explain you about the worksheet. Till then, solve these all examples in your classwork. Be safe. Thank you. If you like this video, press like button and subscribe to my channel. It's learning time. Thank you.